For question 9b, they want us to show that cosec A equals to 3 root 2 over 4. In question 1a, they told us sec A equals to minus 3, and the region was pi over 2 to pi. There's multiple ways we can go about this, and the first way is using our triangle method. Sec A is the same as 1 over cos A. This should be minus 3. 1 over cos A equals to minus 3. So cos A equals to minus 1 over 3. Therefore, when we do our triangle, A is here, it should be 1, 3, and 2 root 2 over here using Pythagoras. And then to find sine A, as cosec A relates to sine, we're going to have to try to find sine A, which is going to be opposite of our hypotenuse, which is 2 root 2 over 3. So we'll bring that here, sine A equals to 2 root 2 over 3. As we want cosec A, we're going to use our knowledge of identities to say 1 over sine A equals to 3 over 2 root 2, and then 1 over sine A is the same as 3 over 2 root 2, as this is the same as cosec A. Now they want us to give 3 root 2 over 4. We have this. Well, what we can recognize is we can rationalize this third by timesing top and bottom by root 2. So therefore we're going to be left with 3 root 2 on the top, then 2 root 2 root 2. When you times 2 thirds together, that gives you the number inside. So root 2 times by root 2 is just simply 2. So 2 times by 2, and then that gives us 3 root 2 over 4, which is what they wanted. Our other method we can use, so cosec A equals to 3 root 2 over 4, that's what we had, is use our knowledge of our previous answers. Our previous answers were cos A equals to, there's one other thing I forgot to mention over here. When we were doing this, sine A equals to 2 root 2 over 3 should be plus minus, and we needed to figure out which one it is. As it's in this region of pi over 2 to pi, that's this quadrant, and sine is positive in this region, so we're going to have plus 2 root 2 over 3. Moving back to our second method, from the first question A, we figured out that cos A was minus 1 over 3 and tan A was minus 2 root 2. And what we can now do is use our knowledge of identities. Tan A equals to sine A over cos A, and sine A, therefore sine A equals to cos A times by tan A. So now you multiply these two together, these two expressions, that's minus 1 over 3 times by minus 2 root 2. That gives you 2 root 2 over 3. And then we need to find cosec A. So cosec A will be the same as 3 over 2 root 2. And then you must rationalize times top and bottom by root 2. That gives you 3 root 2 over 4. And that's your answer.